Here's the moment of truth. He's about to step out.
You so want this guy to fall.
Yes!
That's it, he did it.
Wow.
Congratulations, man, 40 seconds.
Yes! I beat her, yes!
You beat her by 10 seconds. Now, Brad's a little nervous because Brad's got to beat that time. Look at him. Look at the stone cold look on Brad's face.
He's competitive, and he's going to try and beat it, and I think that's going to probably end up hurting him in the long run.
All right, Brad, how you feeling, man?
Nervous.
Nervous? Really?
I think Brad is just worried about beating you. That may hurt him.
What's your strategy right now?
Make it through.
That's it? Just make it through?
Make it through. Beat 40 seconds.
If he's stupid about it, which is a possibility, then his ass will lose, and guess what? It's just the three of us for tomorrow. All right?
When I saw Angelica hit that water, my mind just started racing, playing games on me. Jason went. Jason fell. The fear kicked in real hard. But I have to go on.
So he's a pretty beefy guy. Do you think he's going to try to do something differently?
I hope not.
Here's the moment of truth. He's about to step out.
You so want this guy to fall.
Yes!
No, he just went over your time. Your time's better than Bradley. That's it. It's the four of you. 105.
We rock. We win.
111.
We win.
I told you! Congratulations, man. Here's your hat, man. I told you! You got 105. You didn't beat his time. He got 105. Yes, 105. It won't happen again. Won't happen again? It won't happen again.